Now, just like you, my Discord server is also dead most of the time, so I want to create a chat revive ping system that automatically pings people to start talking in the chat. It's kind of like torture, but a little bit worse. Anyways, to start off, we need to go to our server settings, we need to go to roles, then we need to create a role. Now, I'm going to create a chat revive ping role. Just keep in mind that you could do an everyone ping, but it is very annoying. So that's why I'm just going to make a new role for it. I'm going to call this role chat revive, and I can't spell with capitals apparently. And then click save changes. Then in your permissions, just make sure that all these are off. You can also just click clear permissions and it'll do it for you. Click save changes and kaboom, you now have a chat revive role. Now, in terms of roles, you might have to have Dino or Carlbot or whatever give people the role. So in this case, in a previous tutorial, I showed how to get these Carlbot roles in this massive 30-hour long video. Basically, just pick whatever bot you want that allows people to get roles. But what we're going to do is we need to go to the first link in the description and there will be this Discord bots list. We just need to click add dead chat reviver. So we want to add it to our server. In this case, it is DDD Douglas's server. Then click continue and then it's going to have all these little things. They're fine permissions. Just click authorize. Then click I am human. Apparently I have to do that all the time. It might be a robot or something. All right, so you added the bot. All we need to do is press the / key. Then we need to click on dead chat reviver and we have delete, help, list, setup, topic. We want to click on setup. Then it is going to ask us to select a channel. I'm just going to type in general, then click on the general channel. Then it'll say time. Now the minimum time you can have is 30 minutes and the maximum time you can have is 7 days. So if you have a server with a lot of people on it, you might want to do 30 minutes or an hour or something. In this case, I'm just going to do 30 minutes. So you type 30, then M. If you want to do hours, you do H. And if you want to do days, you do D, obviously. So I'm going to do 30M for 30 minutes and press tab. Then I'm going to click on role. Then I get to pick the role that I want to ping. In this case, I want to ping the chat revive role. So I'm going to type in chat. And then you have two options. You have chat revive and dead chat reviver. Dead chat reviver is not the one you want to pick. That is actually the bot's role. We want to ping chat revive. Now, you can do everyone if you want, but that is very annoying. Very annoying. So I would try to avoid that. Anyways, back to chat revive. Click on it. Then you can press enter. And kaboom, success, success. I will send a message if general has no activity for 30 minutes. So I will see you in 30 minutes. So it's been about 30 minutes and I grew about 2 feet and about 1 inch in another dimension. And look, we got the chat revive ping at 11:24, which is around, 30 minutes. And in this chat revive, it does give you a topic to talk about. What's the funniest movie you've ever seen? Neil Breen, Twisted Pair. Anyways, that's how you set it up. Now, if you ever want to list what chat revives you have, because you can have multiple channels with different chat revives, which keep in mind can be annoying, you could do /list, then press enter, and press enter again, and it'll say list of all active channels, and it says the general channel, 30-minute timer, and it's going to ping chat revive. Now, if you ever want to remove it, once again, / then click on dead chat reviver, then you can click delete, and then you can just select the channel. So general, then click on it, then you just press enter, and kaboom, success, general won't receive any revive messages anymore. And that's how to set it up. Obviously, if you want to get rid of it, just kick the bot just like that. And anyways, I'm blabbering on too long. I love you, sweetheart. Have a fantastic day at school. I know you've been doing great with your grades. Just keep it up. And I'm so proud. Remember, there's an allowance. You get $20 for every A you get. And I know you can do it. Anyways, bye-bye. Mwah!